For the scientific computation module, you'll probably want to set up your own PC or laptop so that you can write Python code there instead of just using the university PCs the whole time. So in this video we're going to go through the process for that. And we're going to be following this web page here, which you can find from the course homepage. So the first thing we're going to do is just create a folder where we're going to put the various files that are related to Python. So we'll just go to Documents and create a new folder, and we'll just call it Python. Okay, so next we're going to need this thing called Git. It's a version management software. So we'll go to Git for Windows and we'll download the installer for Git. So now we're just going to click the installer. And we're going to I'm just going to accept a whole bunch of options. Doesn't really matter too much what these are, the default options are fine. Next we want to install Python. So again, we're just going to click the obvious button to get the obvious installer. Okay, so there's just one non-default thing we're going to do here. Down the bottom here you see there's this box that says add python.exe to path. So we're going to click that. Apart from that, so the next thing we're going to do is to download Visual Studio Code. We'll just use the obvious installer here. Okay, so that took quite a few minutes, but I cut most of it out of the video. Now it's finished, we've installed all these pip packages that we need. But we also need some extensions of Visual Studio Code. So what we go here, I mean this thing here is illuminated to show us we've got the File Explorer, but instead of the File Explorer we're going to go down here to Manage Extensions. And so here there's a list of all the extensions that are already installed, which there aren't any. And here's a list of popular extensions, which things that we want. So, so actually we could just select from this popular list, or we can enter up here. So I'm going to type here Pylance. Okay, so this is a extension for dealing with Python, so we're going to install that. And then we're going to go up here. So now if I clear that, you see under the installed list we've got Pylance and Python. I only selected Pylance, but then that installs Python automatically. And the other thing we need is Jupyter. So that's Jupyter here, the Jupyter Notebook interface. So we're going to click install on that. And again, that will install a few other things at the same time. So now, now the installed extensions, we've got Jupyter and various associated things, and Python and Pylance. Okay, so now let's go back here to the Explorer and to check. We're going to do a tiny bit of Python just to check that everything's working properly. So next to here, we've got this little icon here to create a new file. So we enter hello.ipynb. This is going to be a Jupyter notebook with extension ipynb. And so we've got a Jupyter notebook here. And then we're going to do print hello world. And then we're going to do a shift enter. So I press the shift key and press enter. And then guess we need to allow here and print hello world. So we've got Python working now, and that will be it for this video.